Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
Ryan Kaler's Teslacam caught this accident when he was on his way to lunch. This video was sent in by someone who was cruising down I-35 on Autopilot when an 18-wheeler started overtaking and switching lanes. At first, he believed it was just innocent drifting, but then he braked and took over from Autopilot. Douglas B. McKay was having dinner when his Tesla recorded the bumper removal of his daughter's RAV4. He says it was handled well by the truck driver. This video was sent in by Sean Burke. A truck runs a stop sign and crashes into a Ford Mustang. Sean stopped and gave a copy of the video to the victim. This video was sent in by Jack Hodges. Jack says if you look closely at the end, the driver actually climbed out of the window, and the car rolled down the hill with him clinging onto the driver door. This video was sent in by Jonathan Whalen. Jonathan says he had her license plate number from the front camera as she drove in, so this was an easy thing to sort out.